Meaning of hesitation.
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 Hesitation. Hesitation refers to the act of pausing or delaying before making a decision or taking action, often due to uncertainty or doubt about the best course of action. This can manifest in various ways, such as verbal hesitations in speech or physical hesitations in movement. Hesitation can be caused by a range of factors, including fear, lack of confidence, and indecisiveness. Ultimately, hesitation can lead to missed opportunities or ineffective actions, but it can also be a useful tool for careful consideration and thoughtful decision-making.